ready to unlock the secrets to smoother, cheaper, and more reliable international shopping. Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. Sugargoo vs Hagobuy. First up, product sourcing. Sugargoo boasts a massive network of sellers, giving you access to practically anything you can dream of, from clothes to electronics. Their search functions are pretty robust, too. Hagobuy also offers a wide selection, but some users find their navigation a bit less intuitive than Sugargoo's. However, they are constantly improving their platform. Now, for quality control. Both agents offer QC photos, but pay attention to the details. Look closely for flaws, ask for specific measurements, and don't hesitate to request extra photos if you're unsure. Remember, it's better to catch issues before shipping. Let's talk money, shipping costs. This is where things get interesting. Sugargoo is often perceived as slightly pricier, but offers more shipping line options. Hagobuy sometimes has cheaper options, especially for smaller packages, so compare quotes carefully using their shipping calculators. Finally, customer service. Sugargoo is known for generally faster response times. Hagobuy is improving, but response times can be a bit slower, especially during peak hours. Always keep screenshots of your conversations for reference. So, who wins? It depends on your priorities. Sugargoo, fast selection, potentially faster service. Hagobuy, can be cheaper on shipping, constantly improving. Do your research, compare quotes, and choose the agent that best fits your needs. Now, let us know in the comments, which agent do you prefer and why?